Welcome to Agricultural Science for JSS 3. Today we study Integrated Pest Management, IPM. What is Integrated Pest Management, IPM? Integrated Pest Management, IPM, is an ecosystem-based approach to pest control that combines multiple methods to keep pest populations below the economic injury level, the level at which damage causes significant economic loss, while minimizing risks to human health, the environment, and non-target organisms. Why is IPM important? Traditional pest control relies heavily on chemical pesticides, which can harm human health, farmers and consumers, contaminate water and soil, kill beneficial insects, like bees and natural predators, lead to pesticide resistance in pests, and are expensive for small farmers. IPM reduces these problems. Components of IPM. 1. Cultural methods. Changing farming practices to discourage pest growth. Examples: crop rotation. Rotating crops prevents pest buildup in soil. Planting dates. Timing planting to avoid peak pest seasons. Resistant varieties. Planting crop varieties that resist pest. Weed control. Removing weeds that harbor pest. Proper spacing. Reduces humidity that encourages disease. Field sanitation, removing infected plants and crop debris. 2. Biological control. Using natural enemies of pests to control them. Examples: predators, ladybirds, ladybugs, eat aphids. Spiders eat insects. Parasitoids, wasps that lay eggs inside caterpillars. Pathogens, Bacillus thuringiensis, Bt, bacteria kill caterpillars. Viruses and fungi that infect pests. 3. Mechanical and physical methods. Physically removing or blocking pests. Examples: hand picking, manually removing pests from plants. Traps, sticky traps, light traps, pheromone traps. Netting, covering crops with netting to exclude insects. Scare devices, scarecrows, reflective tape. 4. Chemical methods. Last resort. Pesticides are used only when necessary and as a last resort when other methods fail to keep pest numbers below the economic threshold. When pesticides must be used, choose the least toxic option. Use targeted application, not blanket spraying. Use at the right time and right rate. IPM decision-making process. 1. Monitor and identify. Regularly inspect crops and identify pests. 2. Set action thresholds. Decide at what pest density to take action. 3. Implement the right mix of methods. 4. Evaluate results. Benefits of IPM. 1. Reduces pesticide use and cost. 2. Protects human and environmental health. 3. Preserves natural pest enemies. 4. Reduces pesticide resistance. 5. Improves long-term sustainability of farming. IPM in Nigerian agriculture. IPM is promoted in Nigeria by the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, IITA, in Ibadan, FAO, and the Nigerian government. Examples: push-pull technology, using intercropping with napier grass and desmodium plants to repel stem borers, push and attract them to the napier grass trap crop, pull, developed by ICP, International Center of Insect Physiology and Ecology. Remember, Integrated Pest Management /IPM equals ecosystem-based approach to pest control, combines multiple methods to keep pest populations below the economic injury level, minimizes risks to human health plus environment plus non-target organisms. Why IPM is important? Traditional pest control relies heavily on chemical pesticides which can harm human health plus contaminate water plus soil plus kill beneficial insects like bees plus natural predators plus lead to pesticide resistance plus are expensive for small farmers. Components of IPM. Cultural methods equals changing farming practices to discourage pest growth. Crop rotation prevents pest buildup in soil plus planting dates to avoid peak pest seasons plus resistant varieties plus weed control equals removing weeds that harbor pests plus proper spacing reduces humidity plus field sanitation equals removing infected plants plus crop debris. Biological control equals using natural enemies of pests, Predators equals ladybirds eat aphids plus spiders eat insects. Parasitoids equals wasps that lay eggs inside caterpillars. Pathogens equals Bacillus thuringiensis / Bt bacteria kill caterpillars plus viruses plus fungi. Mechanical plus physical methods equals handpicking equals manually removing pests. Traps equals sticky traps plus light traps plus pheromone traps. Netting equals covering crops to exclude insects. Scare devices equals scarecrows plus reflective tape. Chemical methods equals last resort equals pesticides used only when necessary when other methods fail. Choose least toxic option plus targeted application not blanket spraying plus use at right time plus right rate. IPM decision making. Monitor plus identify equals regularly inspect crops plus identify pests. Set action thresholds equals decide at what pest density to take action. Implement the right mix of methods. Evaluate results. Benefits of IPM. Reduces pesticide use plus cost, protects human plus environmental health, preserves natural pest enemies, reduces pesticide resistance, improves long-term sustainability. IPM in Nigeria, promoted by IITA in Ibadan plus FAO plus Nigerian government. Push-pull technology equals intercropping with Napier grass plus Desmodium to repel stem borers / push plus attract them to Napier grass trap crop / pull equals developed by ICP. Thank you.